Hi everybody, we're out here at the Hershey RV show again doing some subscriber requests. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, today we had a subscriber request from Jay Shelton to do a Rockwood Geo Pro 20 FBS, and we happened to find it. It doesn't show up on the list of it being in the show, but here it is. And we'll start out in the very front. We have a queen size bed in the front. We have a lot of cabinets up in the front. Bays over the top and cabinets on both sides. We have USB charging stations and 110 outlets on both sides. The bed folds up with storage underneath, along with drawers on the bottom. They have the shades. We have in this rig, it's got a 190 watt solar panel already attached to the roof, and it's got the inverter and everything for it. This is an off-road package and suspension, and we'll continue on now with the rest of the inside. This is the kitchen area with a very nice sink, countertop area, a 3-burner cooktop with propane and a full oven, storage under the sink for your sponges, another drawer underneath that, cabinet underneath for pans, pots and pans. Over top of the sink there is a 22-inch Furion television that can come out and pivot so that you can watch it from the bed area or from the couch on the other side. You have a radio up on top here for the sound system. Cabinet next to it. There's also a Ranger Wi-Fi that's all set up for it. Right here you'll see your charge controller telling you what you have for amp or wattage and amp hours. You have a microwave on top. You have a small Magic Chef refrigerator. Inside you can see that there's the dish drying rack for your sink. On the opposite side of the kitchen you'll see that you have this couch that folds into a bed for extra sleeping. And you have cabinets on top. Now I see that the reason why the doors fold down, I would assume, is because that you have more access. If the doors were to flip up, you'd have to be reaching down underneath to get in. With the doors folding down, you can get into the cabinets fully that way. You have a big cabinet for extra towels and linens and stuff like that in the back here. You got a towel hook, a medicine cabinet. And here's the sink with another storage cubby next to it, and another small cabinet next door to it.
Ceramic toilet.
And you also have a full shower.
Ceramic.
And a porcelain toilet.
And a shower miser.
Oh, it does come with the shower miser for system for it. Okay, instead of a dinette, what they have for the couch area here, there's a full-length table that sets up that you bring in, that's in the storage bay up front. I'm not going to bring it in because with the show we don't want to cause any problems with people trying to get in. So we have the full table that goes and sits in front of the couch, and that takes care of where your dining area is.
And again, outside is...
Again, outside we're packed in pretty tight, so we can't do an awful lot of filming around the outside. It does have an outdoor connection for propane so that you can hook up a grill outdoors. And I believe that it's a really nice camper for what it is. For people that are going off road and want to go with something smaller, this is like perfect for them. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave comments down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It really helps our channel. And make sure you hit that like button. Please hit that like button. It really helps. On that note, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.